and welcome to Family Footprints Africa. Today we're going to make a video of our special equipment, the drone. The drone we chose is a DJI Mini 2 SE. The reason why we chose this drone is it's below 250 grams, so you don't need a license for it and anybody can fly it, and you can fly it anywhere you want to. So now we're going to show you how we're going to put it together. First, this is the remote here. So Pascal is going to show you how you put it together. You take out the joysticks and you screw it on there. So that's how you fly the drone, with these two sticks. Up and down, left and right, and rotate and everything. And then you attach your cell phone. You can attach any cell phone. We have our Samsung, but it also works with iPhone or any other phone. You clip it in, and then you connect the cable. And you're good to go. What you must make sure is that your GPS location is on. That's a very important thing. So now you can start it by press it short and long so that it is on. Okay, so that one is on. Good. Now we take the drone and we open up the wings of the drone. And with the drone, it's important that you make sure you have your memory card in there, because the memory card will then record your video. It's not recorded on your phone, it's recorded in the drone. And also there we take the protection of the gimbal off. This is a very nice camera, it makes very nice videos. It's also important, the quality of the camera and also the quality of the battery inside the drone. You can fly it for about 30 minutes. So now also here you have to press it on, like a short and a long press. Okay, now the drone is ready to operate. Good. Okay, now we can go back to the cell phone. Yeah, we put it there. Good. And then we choose the application. Go fly, yeah. So everything is ready. Now you can press the button to start the drone.
Home point updated.
You will see in the screen on the bottom left, there is your GPS location of your drone. So it will always show you where you fly and the way back to the home point. And there's even a button that can that is going to take you back home automatically. So now we're going to start the drone. There, yeah. Take off. And the drone is flying.
Home point updated.
So now you can go up into the air and record a video. Okay, now we'll show you the drone video. Okay, and this is how you land the drone. It's coming down slowly. Pascal is putting it back home. All the way down to the ground. There we go. Coming down slowly.
Landing.
Okay. All safe back home. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you subscribe to our channel, and we see you in the next video. Bye bye.